We all know that data is big. Real big. She does, they do, even he does. And she certainly does. But what most people don't know is that more than 80% of data is about location. That's why, to make sense of it all, you need to be location intelligent. Fortunately, there's a cloud for that, Esri's Geospatial Cloud, featuring ArcGIS Enterprise, the industry standard for getting the most from your location data. It's the most robust, complete solution, and it's getting more powerful all the time. It can not only better manage your supply, logistics, and customer chains, it can improve your entire value chain. Because you can collect, manage, map, visualize, analyze, and otherwise process your data across your entire business, end to end, all in real time. Enterprise's analysis and data science tools help you see what others can't. AI, machine, and deep learning mean you can find patterns and make predictions in ways and at speeds once thought impossible. We're modular, so you can start small and scale up, no matter how much and fast you grow. Plus, we're open and interoperable, ready to connect with the rest of your enterprise. So if you're looking to digitally transform your business, no matter how great your ERP, CRM, and SCM. In the age of data-driven decision-making, no transformation is complete without ArcGIS Enterprise. Are you location intelligent?